What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The Cushman. So, my cousin called me from the body shop and said, hey, your body is pretty much done. You can come on whenever and pick it up. So, I got that text message last night, and this golf cart was sitting at a family member's house in their garage, or just extra storage. So I went over there and got it, picked it up, brought it back home, started looking over it, and I remembered, your boy likes to get in a hurry sometimes, and that will always come back to bite you in the rear end. I'm one of those that it seems like I learn lessons the hard way. And I don't wish that on anybody, it's just the way it is. When I was taking this body apart, I like to put the bolts back into the golf cart where they came from. So with that being said, I placed these bolts here, the firewall, that holds on the side fenders and is attaches to the front cowl. I put those back on with an impact. So these were put on with an impact and they're tight, and I'm not trying to loosen them yet. I don't think they're gonna give me an issue, but you never know. This one here, not sure if the camera's picking it up, but it looks sort of cattywampus looking, so hoping these are okay. I'm just taking my time with it. It's starting to turn. I think that's fine. The way this one's turning, I believe it's crooked as well. And I may have done that when I installed these. I'm gonna need to go on the Cushman site, the EasyGo site, for the parts diagram and see which bolt goes where. The longer one, because I know there's one longer one and one short one, so we gotta check that out. I'm pretty sure all of these are bent for some reason. I don't know why they would be bent for, but this one, let's talk about this one. Not sure if you can see this on camera or not, but when I was installing this with the impact, I must have used too many Ugga-Duggas and completely broke the bolt off inside of this housing here. The housing is, you can feel the bolt on the back side. The housing, I want to say, is welded inside the frame. I may be able to just cut this off, break it loose, order another one, and put it back on there. However, what I think I'm gonna try to do is weld to that broken bolt there, and then weld a nut on the outside and try to break it loose that way. Now, so we're gonna see if we can accomplish that. The big thing about that is this is steel, the bolt's steel, and this right here thing that the bolt screws into, that's also steel as well. So not exactly sure, it's not broke off too deep in there, but I think the heat from the welding machine, and then we'll put a nut on there, will maybe get this right here bolt to break loose. So I thought about, just bringing y'all along today and show you that, and let's see if that'll work. If not, we might have to do something else. Come hang out with me, stay a little while, and let's see if we can extract that bolt from the golf cart. I'm gonna just take this punch, try to get center. I'm not going to drill this very much, just a little bit. And as you can see, some of the paint has been removed and the bolt is more exposed now. I think this is going to give us a better portion for the weld to stick to the bolt, and instead of stick to all of this around here. Oh, this is our time on that. Never goes as planned. It ain't turning. I think that bolt's stuck. We're probably gonna end up having to cut that off and put another one on there. Reality is, if a lug nut won't work, then nothing will. That thing is glowing. Well, as you can tell, we got some of it out. Some of it came with this right here. I probably shouldn't have forced it. It probably would have kept coming. I guess we're just gonna keep on at it. All right, let's let this molten of lava cool down and see if we can bust it loose again. I was thinking while I was getting at that it seems like every project that I do, or every time I get in a hurry, which this could have been prevented if I wouldn't have used an impact to try to drive those in there. I was in a hurry, just being stupid, but nothing in life is A to B. Like, you see the line, you know, your project starts here, your project's gonna finish there. Nothing's ever like that. It's always gonna be like squiggly lines and stuff, but I guess that's what makes it fun. I appreciate you guys coming, at least hanging out with me today. All right, guys, check this out. We got it. All right, so the next thing to do is to not reinstall a bolt with an impact, especially there. And I'm gonna go ahead, while it's kind of warm, I'm gonna just slide this right here, bolt through there to see if we can, just to make sure those threads are still good. I don't get too excited too quick. I just want to say I appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with me today. It's been fun. We got something accomplished. It wasn't a lot. If you learned anything, don't use a impact to put the bolts in there. Mainly because I think a lot of them do because it was rusty, but still. I'm gonna keep working at this right here, and until next time, guys, we'll see y'all later. Appreciate you hanging out. Subscribe if you haven't. Share this video, like it, hit the bell notifications, and we'll see y'all later. Y'all have probably never seen one of these. They're so new. This is a DeWalt drill. It's been on the market maybe a week now. It's so new, but it's the detachable DeWalt. So I can use it as a drill, and then you just take it and remove the chuck and use it as a flashlight. It's great, man. Just great technology. I love DeWalt.